Welcome to a Wallbarn case study, showcasing our solution for a fire-rated decking system tailored for a high-end refurbishment project in Knightsbridge, London. This refurbishment project was on a penthouse's two-level terrace, for which a comprehensive Class A fire-rated decking system was specified. The client selected the Exadeck porcelain decking boards from AB Building to be fitted onto Wallbarn's Class A substructure. This system comprises of our adjustable metal pedestals, our extensive range of aluminium joists and compatible connectors to ensure compliance and durability. This project presented unique challenges and no pre-project inspection was possible. Upon removal of the existing decking, a complex subdeck surface with irregular shapes and varying heights was revealed. Central London's restricted access, limited storage space and the need for rapid adaptability further complicated this project. Wallbarn's response to these challenges involved daily communication with the contractor, efficient stock management for timely material dispatch and unique haulage solutions. The Wallbarn design team provided a 3D layout based on scale drawings supplied to us by the architect, ensuring not only an accurate estimate, but also providing a precise and efficient installation guide for the on-site contractor to work from. Our aluminium joists, combined with the versatility of our Class A pedestal and rail system, offered a lightweight yet sturdy framework, whilst accommodating varying height thresholds efficiently. As the decking system may expand and contract at a different rate to the building itself, it is essential to minimise the risk of stress points where mechanical fixings could potentially be dislodged. The addition of specifically designed straight and right angle brackets from Wallbarn ensured structural integrity, even around complex features like curved windows and diagonal decking patterns, which required extra support of the boards. To ensure clean cuts of the boards, the contractor used our 30mm diamond blade. This prevented damage to the boards and minimised wastage, achieving a high-end finish throughout. This porcelain decking system is extremely high quality and suitable for the most premium projects, and particularly ideal for those projects that will feel the full brunt of any harsh weather conditions. The Exadeck boards go through a precise rectified process, which is a vital factor for producing consistency. These high-quality porcelain boards guarantee a seamless and uniform finish, eliminating common issues like board curling and rocking found in inferior offerings on the market. This project exemplifies Wallbarn's dedication to technical innovation and customer satisfaction. Our experienced team is ready to offer expert advice and tailored solutions, ensuring the success of your next project. For further information and to explore how we can assist with your specific requirements, contact Wallbarn by phone or email.